Hello, good morning to you all. Today, in our assignment number 1 in the drawing subject, today we are going to see the question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. So, first of all, I am going to move to the question number 5. The question number 5 says, draw a parabola by tangent method. Give the base is 60 millimeter and the axis is 30 millimeter. If you are going to face a question like this, you want to answer in this manner. So I will explain by sketching method, so you can go through that one and you can complete your assignment. Okay, this is the help for your assignment. So the base, you know, to draw the parabola 60 millimeter and axis, you know, 30 millimeter. So let's see, you know, our axis is 30 millimeter and base is 60 millimeter. So 60 millimeter line, you want to draw a 60 millimeter horizontal line first. Okay, 60 millimeter. See, this one is 60 millimeter. Then you want to find the midpoint. Midpoint is at 30 millimeter here. So you want to find the midpoint, and through the midpoint you want to draw a vertical line. Through the midpoint you want to draw a perpendicular line. So say that line is this one. Sorry. This is our 30 millimeter axis line. So you want to draw a line vertically or perpendicular to this horizontal baseline. You want to mark 30 millimeter on that line. After that, you want to take your compass and measure this 30 millimeter. Okay, measure this 30 millimeter, and you can mark this. You can name these two here A, and this one as B, and this one as C, and this one as D. Then you want to measure from compass CD distance, and you want to put an arc. You want to keep center as C and put an arc here. Okay, with the distance like the distance of CD. I mean, this is 30 millimeter. Okay, so you can extend this line. After that, you can extend this vertical line up to here. This perpendicular line, you can extend this perpendicular line from here. Exactly, it is difficult for me. So this one is vertical. Yeah. Then this one from C, you can mark this one as A, B, C, D, E. Then you know CE is 30 millimeter. So this one is 30 millimeter. Your axis is, then this one base totally 60 millimeter. Now after drawing this one, you want to connect A and E. You want to join A and E. In this way you want to connect A and E first, next E and B. Sorry. E and B in this way. So after joining AE and EB, you want to divide this AE into equal parts, whatever you like. Here I am going to divide this one into 8 equal number of parts. So to do that, we know how to divide a line into equal parts. So you want to follow that way, okay? You want to follow that way from your previous knowledge. So to draw that one, here I am going to draw a slant slope line from E in this way, and I am going to use compass. I am going to use compass to divide this green color line into 8 number of equal parts. So whatever the distance we can use. So first of all, I am going to keep in this size of distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number of equal parts. After that, you want to connect this 8th one with A, and you want to draw parallel line to this line, to this last drawn red color line. So by using set squares, you can draw the parallel lines. So to draw that one, you can keep your that squares here and move to draw these parallel lines. So your lines will be finally like this. Accurately, it is difficult for me to draw, so your drawing will be very neat. Your drawing should be very neat, and I am using a software. I am using a software, so it is difficult for me. Okay, then actually precisely you can draw parallel lines. Some of the parallel lines to these points you can draw. These are parallel lines. Okay, these should be parallel lines. So now you divided this AE line into number of equal parts, 8 number of equal parts. So the same way you want to keep your set square through AB and move your set square into upwards, and you can find the point here. Okay, that will definitely divide this the same way. That will definitely divide this BE into same number of equal 8 parts. So or else you can keep your compass to measure this distance, okay, A2. You can number this one as say this one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Okay, so you know from 1 here horizontally by moving this one, or else 0 to 1 distance you can take from your compass and mark by using arcs. This is how you can divide this B line into 8 number of equal parts. So here you want to number this B line or EB line in this way. This is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you want to connect this here. From here you want to start. Okay. From here you want to start. You want to connect this 1 and 1. Okay. 1 and 1. In this way. One and 1. Then 2 and 2. Then 3 and 3. Then 4 with 4. And 5 with 5. And 6 with 6. These are the tangents. Okay. Tangents to the parabola. Finally 7 with 7 with 7. Finally 7 with 7 you want to join those lines. Okay, in this way you want to connect those lines. So after that you have the tangent, several tangent lines. So you want to connect these. You can easily connect these line manually, or you can use flexible rulers to draw this shape of parabola. So you have these tangent points. This one point. So this one is 1 point. This one is another point. This one is first point. This one is second point. This one is third point. This one is fourth point. This one is fifth point. This is your 6th, 7, 8. The centers. Okay, centers of these lines, and finally this point. So you can connect that line manually. You can connect those lines to draw the parabola. So neatly you can complete by using pencils and your paper. In your paper you can draw. So by using pencils and flexible ruler, easily after finding these points you can draw the parabola. So this is how you want to complete the fifth question of your assignment. Then next we will see the 6th question. Okay, what is the 6th question? Your 6th question is the part of the point P. Okay, here the part of the point P is a rectangular hyperbola. Okay, in advance I can explain one thing more to the tangent method. if they ask to draw a tangent at one point, at any point of this parabola, and normal and tangent. So if they ask like that, so say this is the point, say this one is the point, so say this one is that point, this is the point. So I am saying this one as P. So you want to draw, they are asking to draw a tangent and normal to this parabola. So if they ask like that, so you want to draw a horizontal line, okay, parallel to this AB, horizontal line parallel to this AB. You can draw like this, you can draw like this. Then you can mark that point as P dash, P dash. So now you have P dash line. So after drawing this one, now you have P dash line. Okay. Now after drawing this P dash line, you have this CP dash distance, CP dash distance. You have this CP dash distance. So you want to, by using compass, okay, by using compass, you can measure this CP dash distance, CP dash distance. After measuring this distance, you can draw an arc by using compass, same compass, you can draw an arc here, okay, like this. Then you can connect this P dash, say this one is Q, this one is Q. Now you can connect this PQ, that is the tangent. Now you can connect this PQ. This is the tangent on that parabola at that P point. Then after drawing this tangent, if you need normal, on that point, you can draw normal. How you know? Vertically, you can draw a normal. This way, you can draw a normal. In this, if you want to draw a normal, you know how to draw the normal for a line at a particular point. So if you want to draw a normal, say your normal will be like this. So you already draw this tangent at this P point, so you want to draw a curve like this, and from here you can draw a curve in this way without changing the arc distance. From here you can draw the particular curve, and through this point and this point you can draw a normal. Your normal will be like this. So this is how you want to draw a normal and tangent for a particular parabola. So I am not asking, the question is not asked like that. So I will move to the now I am going to move to the sixth question. Your sixth question says the part of the point P is a rectangular hyperbola. In one occasion, the point is 40 millimeter and 20 millimeter from the axis and y-axis, from x-axis and y-axis. So from x-axis, that is 40 millimeter, from y-axis, that is 20 millimeter. Draw the path of the point P. They are asking draw the path of the point P. Okay, this is a rectangular hyperbola they are saying. So to draw that one, we will draw first x-axis and y-axis. Okay, from x-axis, that is 40 millimeter. Now I am going to draw two axes. These are two axes. Say this one is x-axis and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So from y-axis, they are saying, the question says from y-axis, and from x-axis, that is 40 millimeter. It is 40 millimeter. From y-axis, that is 20 millimeter. So from here we can mark 20 millimeter from y-axis. This is 20 millimeter. We can mark 20 millimeter. After that, we want to mark 40 millimeter from x-axis. So from here in y-axis, we want to mark 40 millimeter here. This is 40. Okay. After marking those points, you want to draw horizontal line through those. You want to draw horizontal lines through those 40, and you want to draw vertical line through that 20 millimeter line. So your line will be like this. Finally your line will be this way. You can draw a horizontal line parallel to this x-axis, and you can draw a vertical line parallel to this y-axis in this way. Say this is 20 is at this point. Say 20 is at this point. The 20 mark is at this point. Okay. Then 40, 20. After drawing these two lines, you can divide this line. Okay, this line and this line. Okay, you can mark this one as like this in this way. You can mark this one as A and B, and C. Then AB distance we can divide. You can divide into, say this one, you can divide into 4 number of equal parts. 4 number of equal parts. You know how to divide. Okay, you know how to divide. So this is the same. So you don't need to divide this one. This is a 20 millimeter. Now exactly you can by using ruler 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter number of equal 4 parts you can mark. Okay, so this one and 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. So same way you can divide this one as into 4 equal parts. That is, 10 millimeter, no, 10 millimeter. So whatever, okay, whatever. If you take this one as number of 10 equal, so the same way you want to divide this one into number of 10 equal parts, then more points you can get, then your drawing will be perfect. So manually you are going to connect those lines. So if you have more several points, your drawing will be perfect. So now here, after marking these points, okay, number of equal parts, so then now you have to connect this origin point to this through this in this way. You have to connect this origin to these points. Through these points, you have to connect in this way. Okay, now you have the points, so you want to mark these points. Just wait, just wait.